State the formula for the mean of the discrete random variable, and what calculator command would you use? We would use number 4, and the formula is mu sub x is equal to the summation of x times the probability of x. Let's do this by hand, and then let's do it by our calculator. So this inside part, we're going to take x times the probability of x. So 0 times 0.01. 1 times 0.1. 2 times 0.38. And 3 times 0.51. Now this symbol means to add them all together. When you add them all together, you get 2.39. What we found was the definition of the mean. So mu sub x is equal to 2.39. Let's try this on our calculator. All right, so we want to input the values in list 1 and list 2. So we go stat, calc, edit, and input the values into the list. And then the probability in list 2. Now go to stat, calc, 1var stats, enter, type L1, comma L2, enter, and 2.39 was our mean. And you can see here, that's what we calculated. So going forward, you can just use this calculator step to figure that out. So as the number of repetitions of the experiment increases, what does the mean value of n trials approach? This approaches mu sub x. As the number of repetitions of the experiments increase, what happens to the difference between the mean outcome and the mean of the probability distribution? It gets closer to 0 as n increases. So let's look at the example below to actually understand what these two questions mean, to give you better understanding. So here, again, the repetitions are going to increase. What does the value approach? So here the repetitions are increasing. What value is this approaching? So I'd say about 2.39 or 38. And that was our mean, mu x, 2.39. And the second one, as the number of repetitions increase, what happens to the difference between the mean outcome and the mean of the probability? So we said this looks like it approaches 2.39. So take 2.39 minus the calculated one from up above, 0. And if you said it was 2.38, you're off by a very small amount, and as you do the more repetitions, it's going to get closer and closer to 2.39. So that's what this means.